Hello there, yes, that's right, this project has been a secret for a year now, but my friends at the Vale of Rheidol Railway in Aberystwyth in Wales, after much discussion and lots of pleading from various quarters, they are putting one of the iconic steam tank locomotives back into its 1970s and 80s British rail, its 1970s and 80s, and I think it's going to look brilliant. These are the only steam locos to officially wear the British Rail corporate blue and the iconic double arrows logo too. And that's because, well, the nationalised British Railways stopped running mainline steam in 1968. That body still owned the narrow gauge Vale of Rheidol tourist line in West Wales. So, across Britain they painted mainline diesels blue, and over in Wales there are 3 little steam locomotives too, classifying them Class 98 officially in the process. Fast forward to now though, some 36 years after privatisation, and the railway is now in fine form. Locos 7 and 8 are in service wearing historic British Railways liveries, and after a 6-year overhaul, here comes number 9. So in 2025, this loco's 101st birthday, the year of Railway 200, and the year that Great British Railways really starts to come together, reunified under the double arrow logo once again. This quirk of railway history is coming back, and back to Wales. I'll bring you the grand reveal in October at the Railway's Big Steam Gala. The Railway is putting out a short video on its YouTube channel this afternoon of the locomotive and some of its parts in blue undercoat. So perhaps I'll see you at the Gala in Aberystwyth in October.